Yes, this is Mr. Ramone Brown from Liquorpot.
JGTV, your choice for Jamaican entertainment.
Bang, 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 connect!
Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, you see me? Big up on yourself. Yo, so right now I want to talk about a video where I circulate on social media of a guy named Ramone Brown, who is basically wanted by the police. That's what I say. And he make a video and him basically I cry out for help. You see what I say? Him say him innocent. And that video I circulate on social media. So I say, I'm check it out and see what really I go on. You see me? So I could play it together and see what really I go on.
Yes, this is Mr. Ramone Brown from Liquorpot. And I just want the people to know, you know, I made they say shoot up a police car. And rare, which the police them is telling a lie for me. Police them want to kill me for a long time. And they tell lie for me. Every day police come on my yard. Before even they say police officer get shot. Every day police come on my yard and say me wanted and left message with my people. Them say they want to kill me. And rare. A 2 years now I've been running from the police force for nothing at all. Barton police, Freeport police and the whole of them. I've been running for nothing at all. Nothing at all, Mr. Andrew the Holiness. Nothing. These men don't have anything to prove or anything. These men get everything that happen in Liquorpot community. It's one man named called Ramone Brown. Whether it's me or it's not me. Me no do nothing about no badness. Me no know nothing about no badness. Zin, and me 3 pitney them me I live for. Anybody can come in a Liquorpot and ask. Everybody know who would shoot off of the police. The man them never hide and shoot off of the police. Zin, if body man done where police get shot off of, in the come good under everybody, they say, me no know nothing about no shooting or everything. The people them tell in the come. These policemen still been coming. Say they want to kill me. And they want rare look for me in a full force. And rare say they want to kill me. And this and that. Me have to been running for my life in a bush. As you can see, in a bush me there. I look, I run for my life, Mr. Andrew. What you gonna do about the state of emergency that you put in Mobile, Mr. Andrew? Because, listen, the state of emergency is not the problem, you know. But the police, them, is the problem, you know. Because if them are work with the law, you don't think that the community, them, would give out more information if the police, then, were working with the company. When I look now, I hear your house now. Boom, a police kick off your door. Boom, I say, where you want, officer? Boy, and ask me nothing. Boom, box you done. Kick you done. Rare. How the hell you go get information out of community from people when you deal with people so and approach people so? Right now, the police them come, they don't catch me. You know what they do? They lock up my mother, they lock up my father, they lock up my sister, they lock up my brother, they lock up my baby mother. For what I don't know about? When the shooting a go on, me there at a bar, anybody can tell it. Me there right top side where shooting a go on. People on the scene where shooting go on, when know it's who. If people them attack, or who. So why police still a look for me? These men have something against me, wanna kill me about because they claim to say me and Bowser a friend. Who and Bowser never friend? Me and Bowser go to school and they charge me and Bowser giantly on a case. Who and Bowser wasn't friend? Tell me who and Bowser wasn't friend. Who Bowser never associate with? Who you tell me? Who Bowser never associate with? Eh? When you charge me and the man giantly, me and the man go all age school. When you never see me with no gun. When you never catch me with no gun. All I want to hear Bowser do. Me never did it. Eh? Me have to run out of my community and they are different community. And sitting because they come a Liquorpot want to kill me. How much police, much soldier. So Mr. Andrew, me a ask you, I want to know why, because I'm an innocent man about to dead and the shooter still did it. The man who shot the police is still there. They don't want that, man. It's me they want, the innocent man. Eh? No, man. This not real. Eh? Police are grown and try to set up man life to kill man and try to put man wanted. Eh? Police has go as far as put up all my picture. And the whole community a chat about it. Mr. Andrew, whole community a chat about it. You can send somebody in our community, a probation or anything in our community to check out the shooting with the police. Everybody go tell us that Ramone Brown knows nothing about the shooting, and everybody in our community can swear for me, Mr. Andrew. Everybody. So yeah, man, I say no, man, need enough to do something about this because I'm more than 20 years now. Police are try to kill me. More than 20, me not chat about us today. Police come say me a member of schemers, gang, how much time and try to kill me, how much time I got jail. Me lawyer through my Paris. He can't talk. Me spend so much money at jail till the last case. The last time I come out of jail, the lawyer, Mr. Chuma Paris said to me, say, man, I'll do what I need the money, man. Stay far from these man. Want me fi do? Me dey live for me tree pitney them, me dey live righteous, me nah do nothing, me nah shoot nobody, me and nobody nah in nothing. Anybody in a liquor pot can tell her. It's just police calling up my name, and nobody in a liquor pot a call up my name because everybody in a liquor pot knows say Ramone nah do nothing at all. Them man they just gone about them business, and if I know about me youth, me and every youth live loving. Every single youth, me and every single youth live loving in a liquor pot. The man them claim to say me a done. Oh, me a done because everybody live loving. Eh? Me not shoot off on nobody. Everybody have something good to say about me. Me not follow no bad company and me alone walk, brother. A 3 pitney me get, 1 a 6. 1 a 1 a 4 months and 1 a 6 months old, and come and take when me sick, and take when me baby mother left in 6 months old baby. Eh? And he's a wicked man, and I can't chat about rare people are wicked. Brother, this police force a bad man. An innocent man you know want kill, and I be innocent people not kill, and people me a beg you know. I'm an innocent man. You share and subscribe and like that video, yeah, and pass around that video, yeah. Cause me I tell you, brother, it's serious. And me I come out on social media with it now because I'm more than 20 years. This is a guan. I not just know. Police want kill me for nothing at all. And Mr. Andrew, you can come in our community right now in a little pot or send and ask the people them boy police shooting. He not hide. The man them shoot the police, the man them no hide and shoot up the police car. A one man do it. And he no hide. Everybody in our community knows who. He have to reach to the police them ears already. But no, you no want that the man there. A dagger no want kill. Eh? Innocent man.
Why people, so Jano, that are the video. The struggle is real, brother. So basically what the man say I'm innocent. You see what I say? Now, big boss, you say you're innocent, so my advice to you is to link up with your lawyer and make your lawyer carry you in. You see what I say? Are the best thing that you could do right now. Link up with your lawyer, come up with a plan and make your lawyer bring you in. You see what I say? Because those allegations against you are serious. Really serious allegations. You see what I say? You see me? So that's my advice to you. If you ever see the video, bro, just call your lawyer and just make your lawyer bring you in and you can just do anything. Cause as you say, when that did go on, you did there one bar. You see me? So you're there one bar and you have witness we can place you at the bar. You see me? So from you have your witness, brother, you don't need nothing more than that. You see me? But people, I know think in the comments want to think about this. And if you, as the man say, he want this reach Andrew Holness, so if you can share the video, share it on your Twitter and put in Andrew Holness tonight. I could see what can go on for the brother because him a cry out for help people, you see me? So me don't really know him, so I can't speculate, but him say him innocent, so a man is innocent until proven guilty, you see me? People like, comment and subscribe, share the video. I'm out.